Hiya, just a quick one today. Sometimes I think it can be really handy when your little pocket multi-tools have a little measuring gauge on there. These tend to be really quite short and small, but these can come in dead useful for measuring and sizing up, you know, nuts, bolts, washers, things like that. It can just be quite handy if I have to go out and buy something for a repair or something like that and I need to just check measurements. Well, this can be quite sufficient for doing that. And I regularly use Swiss Army knives, and most of these don't have that kind of facility on them. So I went on Amazon UK and bought these adhesive tape measures, 10 centimeters long, transparent stickers, and I've put a couple of them on a couple of my 58mm models there. Look, it's something or nothing, isn't it? But you know, these might come in handy. Why not have it on there? So say I wanted to check the internal diameter of a split ring or something like that. For that up there, we've got about 12mm internal diameter. You know, it just might come in handy. I quite often use this standard tinker when I'm doing DIY and stuff like that. So let's just stick one of these on the back and have a look. Let's see, how much can we squeeze onto there? About sort of 7 centimeters I'm going to go for. Let's just snip that down there at just over 7 so I can still see the full number. Let's just peel her off and get it stuck on. Done. Just a really super simple, quick way to add a measuring scale to my Swiss Army knife, or I guess any smooth scaled knife. No idea how durable these will be. Should stick fairly well to this smooth Cellador. Don't know how long it'll stay on this kind of textured PLA plastic scale, but we'll soon see. Let's just see how, what's the 15mm diameter there of that battery? Well, that's handy to know. But you know, anything little that you need to measure, well, got that with me in my pocket now. Like I say, only time will tell if and how durable these are going to be, but yeah, dead simple. Just thought I'd share that with you guys, and I hope that might be of use to someone out there. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.